Real fast update with Bitcoin. I would have posted earlier today, but I've been having some problems with my computer overheating on me. And the computer technician said they can fix it, but I may still have the issue return. It'd likely be more cost efficient just to replace the computer, which is what I did. I put it on rush delivery, so here I have it. Just got everything back up on the computer that I need to make the videos, or most of the things anyways. Again, been watching this RSI to see if the divergence is done. We did see, let me just move this so you can see, we did see the price of Bitcoin move higher than the close previously over here. The RSI doesn't look at shadows. It only looks at the close, and we did close higher, so you do have a divergence completed. So let me move that back, and we have right now currently going into the Thursday session here. We're in the Thursday session. We're trying to take out the 10-period moving average. We're going sideways, consolidating here. Again, could be a bigger pullback. Bitcoin's down about 1%. I've talked about possibly coming back to this breakout area. Again, resistance zone is now support. 20-period moving average directly below this area right here. Get a bigger drop. We got to see a divergence play out, and then we got to move into the negative region below 50 on the RSI. So again, we're still going sideways, but we do have a divergence. We do have a topping tail over here, as I've talked about, after rising about 9.9% with the breakout here. We are trying to pull back here. Could amount to a bigger pullback. We're testing the trend line from these previous highs right here. If you take the trend line, let me move it here so you can see. If you take the trend line from these highs, slightly excluding the peak right here, but connecting it really from these levels here to this level right here, that comes in just under the 20-period moving average. Right below that is that 112,000 previous high, and the support zone was a resistance zone, now the support zone. So just some levels to be aware of and levels to be watching on Bitcoin. The MACD is rolling over, stochastic also forming a little divergence in this most recent price action with the closing levels. Next week we have the Fed meeting. We have the launch of Trump's tariffs, his new tariff rates. Again, people keep saying, oh, Trump's going to chicken out. Is a taco. I told you down here when they were telling us we were going to crash because of the tariffs that we were bottoming. These launch of these tariffs is going to be associated with some volatility. Bitcoin will still end up going higher. People are going, oh, the tariffs are just going to, magically go away, and they're not. Either countries are going to have a tariff rate, or they're going to have tariffs. Recently announced a couple of deals with the Philippines, with Japan, Indonesia. We'll be watching to see what happens surrounding these levels. But right now we're trying to take out the 10-period moving average. This is a trend line I'm watching, horizontal support I'm watching. With reference to the L8 wave count, I think there are two possibilities. One is that we're still carving out this wave 3 right here that, again, we've completed a 2 here, primary wave 2. We've got a 1, a 2, and we're in a 3. Okay, and maybe 4's here or here in a triangle. Right now we had a triangle attempted breakout and it failed. The risk is we come back here. The other bearish scenario would be that we get something bigger that maybe, as I've said, maybe we have a wave 1 done, and we're now getting a larger wave 2. That's certainly possible. Wave speculation, I never trade it. I just use it to try to determine short-term and longer-term price fluctuations. So again, we'll be watching. Just a quick update today. Might post another video tomorrow with a little more detail. Not Friday, but I'll try to do one tomorrow. I might be watching my trading, so I'll try to do it if I can. Sorry for the delayed update.